Hi guys, welcome back to web scraping and mapping dam levels in Python. In the previous video, we installed Django and some essential development tools for Python, as well as created a virtual environment, and we created a project folder. In this video, what we will be doing is we'll be downloading and installing our IDE. So the IDE that we'll be using is ATOM. So let's start by opening up our web browser. Once that's open, I'm going to search for ATOM IDE. And then I'll click on the first link. Okay, then I'm going to select the .dev version, the .debian version for our Linux distribution. Okay, then I'll click on the radio button called save. And I'll click OK and wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so instead of just waiting for that, I'm going to pause the video, wait for the file to finish downloading, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so now that the file is done downloading, so we're going to locate it in our downloads folder. Okay, so the .dev file is downloaded. Now we're going to double click it and install it with Ubuntu Software Center. Okay, so now that Ubuntu Software Center is open, we are going to click on install. And hopefully it installs without giving us any issues. I'll just ignore that. Okay, so that looks like it installed. So now we close that and we close this window, and then we locate the IDE in our start menu. I'll search for ATOM. Here it is. I'll close my browser. Okay, so the IDE is now open. So once the IDE is open, I'm going to open the package manager or the package installer, which is here, installer package, open installer. Okay, then the first package that I'm going to search for is for my Python packages. So I just type in Python in the search bar. Okay, so the package that I'm gonna take here is called autocomplete Python. Click on install. Okay, so our package was installed successfully. The next package that we're going to install is our terminal. So we are going to search for a package called term3. Okay, so here term3 is, then we're going to click on install. Okay, so our terminal has finished installing and now we are ready to open it. So we are first going to close this window or this tab, close the welcome tab. Okay, and then just leave this tab open, and then we are going to click on packages and we're going to find term3, and then we're going to open it in the right pane. Okay, so now we can see that our terminal has been installed and we also installed our Python package. So now we're ready to write some code. Okay, so thanks for tuning in and I'll see you guys in the next video.